In this video, I am going to talk about 5 most useful iPhone features that are especially useful for students and professionals. Hi everyone, welcome to Star Tech. In this channel, we provide tech tips for students and professionals on a regular basis. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Apple recently had an update on iOS and added some really cool features to it. Let's see how some of these iOS 15 features are useful to us and find out how we can get maximum benefit from them. If you take notes on your phone, especially iPhone, then here is how you can protect that notes by using the password so that your sensitive information will not be visible to anyone else. For this, go to the notes. In the notes, long press the note that you want to protect with the password. After you long press, you will see the option and click on lock note. Once you click on lock notes, then you will have to set the password, and also you can use Face ID. You can turn that option on. Once you set that and come back to the notes, then you can see that the notes has been protected, and now you can use your Face ID or password to unlock that notes. If you want to take the screenshot of any web page and you want the whole length of web page to be visible in the screenshot, then here is what you can do. So when you open this web page and you want to take the screenshot of whole web page, then first of all you have to take the screenshot as normally you do. Click on the screenshot and you can see screen and full page option on the top, and you click on full page. If you do that, you can see that the full page has been included in your screenshot, and once it is done, then you can click on done and you can save it as a PDF to your any of your files, such as you can save on your iPhone or you can also save in iCloud, wherever you want. Then if you choose where to save it and click on save, then this screenshot will be saved as a PDF file and it will include whole web page. If you want to put your signature on any of the photos or any documents in your iPhone, then here is what you can do. Open the photo in which you want to put the signature and click on edit. From there you can see 3 dot option on the top right corner. Click on 3 dot and you will see markup option and click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the plus sign at the bottom right corner, and from there choose signature, and in this empty space you can create your signature by using your fingers, and once you create that signature, then done. So the signature will be applied on the photo wherever you want to place or what size you want to make. You can adjust that, as well as you can also adjust the color. And once you are happy with the edit, then you can click on done and your signature will be saved on the photo. This is a really cool feature of iOS 15 and this will save a lot of your time. Now in iOS 15 you can simply choose a picture, drag it and drop it to other places. For example, you can drag any images from internet to the messages and send it to someone without actually saving the image in the photos. To do this, you have to select the photo with one finger and use the other finger or other hand to navigate to the messages. This feature is really useful and convenient. So this feature is also really cool and convenient. Now you can group your apps more easily than before. Simply long press one app and click to the other app which you want to put together, then drag them together to a destination app or a folder. Before iOS 15, we need to do this one by one, but now we are able to group the number of apps at the same time. So those were the really useful and cool features to use. Especially if you are a student, then these are even more useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful to you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to motivate us to bring such useful tips more often.